All right. Let's see here. So for the persons who haven't uploaded that assignment as yet, please do so, because you're going to be given one more today task. Now let's move on to this first question now. Everybody please pay attention. Very important, all right? Now, somebody please read this question.
In the diagram below, not drawn to scale, PQ is a tangent to the circle PTSR, so that RPQ equals to 46 and RQP equals to 32. And TRQ is a straight line.
Okay,
Calculate giving a reason for each step of your answer.
excellent. Now, still with you, Patrick. We have there angle RPQ. Where's the angle RPQ located?
RPQ is angle 46,
Okay, where is RQP located?
angle 32.
Okay, and that is located at angle P and angle Q, right?
Yes.
So we use the middle number to determine where the angle is located, correct?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now, let's look at the first question now. Hold on. And the first question is asking us,
Calculate giving a reason for each step of the answer for PTR.
excellent, PTR. We are trying to find angle PTR here. All right. Now, how do you think we would find PTR? Now, remember that we are going through this together, I know, but I want you to think first. Look at this question carefully. How do you think we would find PTR here? By the way, if we're finding PTR, right, can somebody please identify the exact angle of PTR?
It's T, but not T and S, not the triangle in T and S. Will be like only the angle in T and the triangle on top of
Okay,
the on
okay,
the what's the name?
okay. So the
Yeah,
angle at T forms which triangle? Name the triangle at which the angle is formed at T.
PTR.
Okay, good. Now, how would we find that angle there? Remember, as I said before, right? When they gave you the first question to find the angle, it's always pretty much simple. You don't need to do much calculation. Normally, you use an angle that you have been given, right, to find the angle that is unknown. That is normally for the first question. So bear that in mind. CXC don't want to pause your brain for the first question as yet. So normally for first questions in circle theorem, you have to use angles that you have been given before to determine an angle that you want to find. All right? Now look at this
Mhm.
now. How you think would find P, T, R? Look at the rules that you have. All right, let me give you a hint. You're going to use the alternate segment theorem. The alternate segment theorem.
So, sir, the
Yes?
angle between the chord and the tangent equal to the opposite angle. So that opposite angle we're looking at, I think, is 32. Or no, it's 46.
46. Why is it 46?
Uh, because it's opposite from 46.
Okay, so read the alternate segment theorem again, rule again.
The angle between the chord and the tangent.
All right, hold on.
Oh, yes. So it's between the chord and the tangent. That's right.
Okay, good. Are you seeing that 46 is between a chord here? Look at it. Look at it. Isn't this a chord?
Yes, sir.
Isn't this a tangent?
Yes, sir.
How do you know it's a tangent?
Because it touches the circle.
Okay, and what else? What other reason you know it's a tangent? Look at the question. I mean the instruction at the top.
It says PQ is a tangent to the circle.
Excellent. So they told you that PQ is a tangent touching the circle, right? Now,
Yes,
the alternate segment theorem states that an angle that is created by the tangent and the chord is equal to the opposite angle inside the triangle. This is the opposite angle inside the triangle here, because guess what? TP is touching the chord here, and TP is also touching the tangent. Are you seeing the tangent here? TP is a part of the tangent, you know, because PQ is the tangent. TP is a point on the tangent. TP is also a point on the chord. So therefore, if that section here is 46, in here so must be 46 also. You seeing that?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Everybody is seeing that, right? Tad, Nathaniel, Jessica, seeing that?
Yes, sir.
Nice. All right.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, let's look on the next one. So let me just write it in. All right. So this is going to be, so in here, so is 46. All right, hold on. Let me just go to the next question so I can have this down. 46. All right, so now I can just write this in as 46. And this is degrees. Now, next thing. Reason. So what's the reason for 46 degrees again?
Because it's the angle between, just the rule, based on the rule, the angle between the chord and the tangent is opposite.
And that rule is called?
The alternate segment theorem.
Okay. So it's called the alternate segment theorem. All right. All right. Now, let's look on the next one. TPR. Where's TPR located? Let me see. No. Jessica, where is TPR located?
TPR
Okay, good. All right. So TPR is located at that P section right there, right? Now, if we're trying to find PTR, look at it. We just found it. All right, isn't PTR a triangle?
Yes, sir.
Didn't we just found T?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, we know that a triangle measures how many degrees inside the angles in a triangle?
180, sir.
180. Good. Now, what we're going to do now, we're going to try and find an angle, and then once we find that angle, we can subtract the value to find 180. Because if we look at this, there's nothing we can do. I'm looking at PTR right now, right? Sorry, that's TPR, right? And we are not really seeing a rule there that we can apply to find P at that section, right? Because we have used the alternate segment theorem rule for 46, and 32 is way out of the triangle. And it's not 32 is way out of the circle. So we're not using that 32 yet. But guess what? We can use that 32 to formulate something. And then finding that thing now, we can find a missing angle and then subtract everything from 180. Look at it. Isn't this a triangle, guys? Isn't this a triangle?
Yes, sir.
Good. And what do you know about angles in a triangle?
They add up.
Equal to 180.
So if this is 46 and this is 32, what is this here, so?
Oh, yeah. 102.
102?
Yes, sir.
All right. 102. Good. And that is degrees. So that's 102 degrees. No, I'm not going to tell you the next step. You tell me the next step.
Okay, so that would be a straight line right there from T to Q,
Yes.
and then
How
so
do you know it's a straight
angles
line?
on a straight
How do
line.
you know it's a straight line?
Oh, because I don't know how to answer that. Oh yes, it says it in the instructions.
Okay, continue.
So you would have minus, because angles on a straight line add up to 180. And you
Yes.
have 102.
Yes.
So you would subtract the 102 from the 180.
All right. So what is 180 minus 102?
That's 78.
All right. 78. Good. All right. Why did you erase it? 78. Nice. No. So we know that this section is 78, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now what the question? Do we find our answer yet?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Well, no, but now that we have what we have, we can find it. We can find angle P.
How do we find the angle P?
You would add the 46 and the 78, and because all the angles must add up to 180, the answer that you get when you add 46 and the 78, you minus that from 180.
Do that for me, please.
56. So 180 minus 124 equal 56.
What do you get?
56.
56.
Yes, sir.
All right, so that's 56. Okay. And that's in degrees. So we know that here says 56. No. We find our answer there. No, you're gone 5 marks already, you know. No. Put the icing on the cake now. TSR. Nice other 2 mark. Simple 7 mark question. Pretty easy. Where is TSR?
Um,
TSR will be the triangle under TPR.
Which is where
So
here?
it will be, yeah, right there.
How do we find that angle?
you could look at it.
Hmm?
Look at the quadrilateral
Where's the quadrilateral?
T, P, R, and S.
So TP. Sorry.
Mhm.
That's the quadrilateral?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then?
Because you have 56, I think there's a rule that states the opposite angle
You
has to add up to
you
1.
think there's a rule?
No, there is a rule.
What's the name of the rule?
Fine.
Angles in a cyclic quadrilateral. Opposing angles on a cyclic quadrilateral equal to 180.
Right? So then,
So then you would subtract the 56 from 180.
and you'll get a value of
124.
124.
124 you get?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 4. Are you realizing that we just found every angle in this diagram? Are you realizing that this is known, this is known, this is known, this here is known, everything here is known. The only thing that we don't know as yet
Is the
is,
T and R from TSR.
right, so we don't know this angle, and we don't know this angle here. All right? But the question didn't ask us to find those. So that's pretty much it. Everybody seen that, right?
Yes, sir.
And everybody's understanding, right?
Yes, sir.
All right? If you didn't draw this, take a screenshot. Once you do that, you're going to check the portal. Now, once you check the portal, you're going to see something like this. But guess what? Pay attention first.
You're gonna change up the thing?
Again,
You're gonna like change it up a bit?
not necessarily. You're going to scroll down. Right? So look at the screen now. You're going to scroll down, and this is what you're going to see.
Oh.
Yeah. And I gave you a bonus question. I gave you the first answer. ABC is equal to 48. This is a graded work. Do you think you are able to do this question?
Probably. Well, I'm probably gonna be able to do most of them.
Okay. I believe you all can do this. It's simple. Now the way how we found this angle here at B, let me show you how we found this. Let me show you how this is 48. By the way, can you tell me how this is 48 before I show you? The angle at B, how do you think I found it to be 48?
The alternate.
Excellent. Excellent. Alternate segment theorem. Are you seeing that this 48 here is touching a chord and also a tangent? And the angle created at B, look at it. Isn't this B line touching the tangent, and isn't it also touching the chord?
Yes, sir.
Right. So therefore, this is 48. All right. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions to complete. And each question worth 2 marks. 1 mark for the answer and 1 mark to state why. Why or how you get that answer. Now remember, there is also a circle theorem question that I gave for homework before on the portal. As I said before, I only saw 2 persons upload that question. Everybody should upload that question to those answers to the portal. It's also graded. This here is a classwork. This is also graded. All right. And these graded tasks are incorporated in your final report card. So you know what that means.
Sir, what was angle ABC equal to again?
Are you on the portal?
Oh, 48,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, check the portal. This should be on the portal.
Okay.
Yeah. What was I going to say now? Oh yes. So far I believe you guys are understanding circle theorem. It's just that you guys need to revisit the rules as often as possible. Try to know them. As I said before, these rules will not be on the answer sheet nor on the formula sheet. You have to know them in your head. So looking at the diagram, you have to know the rule in your head. Well, you don't necessarily need to know the rule word for word. You see, like how you tell me alternate segment theorem because of 48 up there, so you don't need to tell me the alternate segment theorem is blah, 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 blah. I'm not interested in that. All right, I just want you to know it. Just tell me what's the rule and how you apply it. That's what CX is interested in, okay?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm seeing the way you call it. I'm seeing the assignment on the portal, but I'm not seeing the actual diagram of the circle and stuff.
Yeah, I was gonna say that.
It's this though, isn't it?
Yes.
I'll just take a picture from you. Then.
Yes. Hold on. What you're saying, you're not seeing what?
So we're
We
not
don't
seeing
see
the
this on the. Yeah.
Question itself.
All right, hold on. All right, I'm going to send this to the group for the time being. I'm going to try to put it again. Everybody can see it in the group, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you're
Yes,
not
sir.
seeing the act. Is it the case that you're not seeing the actual file, but you're seeing everything else?
Like we see like the
Very
instructions and
good.
everything, but the like the file with the question is not there.
Okay. Are you seeing it now? Still not seeing it?
Wi-Fi fully just came back.
Josh, you were saying something?
Sir, my Wi-Fi fully just came back.
Okay. All right. So what we are doing here, we just went through a question. It's a graded assignment with a task. It's on the portal. I also send it to the group. Some person was saying they couldn't see the file.
Sir, I'm seeing it now.
Seen it now. Nice. So it's on the portal. It's also in the group. All right. Now the top section of the file was what we did in class just now. All right. And the bottom part is what you are going to do now.
Okay, sir.